There are many reasons to study intercultural communications. One reason is to adapt to a global and domestic workforce diversity. It's no secret that your world is becoming more and more diverse. Neighborhoods, schools, workplaces, cities, states, and our country itself is more diverse than ever before. For example, in the United States, more than 10% of people were born in different countries. About 20% speak a language different than English at home. And about 30% of the total workforce is made up of immigrants and minorities. Another reason to study intercultural communication is to improve workplace communication. Your customers, clients, coworkers, and supervisors are likely to come from many diverse backgrounds. Are you prepared to communicate with them? Many companies are going global and need to understand other cultures and be able to communicate with them. Healthcare is just one example of where we can improve our products and services. Many of you are studying to be in the healthcare field. There are many examples of how other cultures perceive healthcare differently than we do. Childbirth and the use of drugs or vaccinations are just two examples. A third reason to study intercultural communication is so we can engage in creative problem solving. According to creativity research, we learn more from people who are different from us than people who are similar to us. Small group research indicates that the quality of ideas in ethnically diverse groups has been rated significantly higher than the quality of ideas generated in ethnically homogeneous groups. This is probably due to the greater variety of viewpoints and the lower probability of groupthink. One more reason to study intercultural communication is to enhance intercultural relationship satisfaction. Communication is truly the tool that connects us to others. This means that if you are able to communicate effectively with people from diverse backgrounds, you will be able to establish satisfying relationships with them. Think about how many more people from your neighborhood, college, workplace, and community you could establish relationships with. Another reason to study intercultural communication is to deepen our own self-awareness. We acquire our cultural beliefs, values, attitudes, and norms of behavior on a very unconscious level. Without a comparative basis, we may never question the way we have been conditioned and socialized within our primary cultural system. Most people, to some degree, are ethnocentric, which is the tendency to see our own culture as the center of the universe and the other cultures as insignificant or inferior. Through learning about and approaching other cultures, we get to see the world from another point of view. We see a broader reality. We also get to confront our own ethnocentrism, stereotypes, and closed-mindedness. We need to challenge ourselves to become better people, to be more inclusive, more welcoming, more understanding. One final reason to study intercultural communication is to foster global and intrapersonal peace.